People, here we are in Chapter 2. Chapter 2 has a lot to do with banking, banking services, internal control of cash. And here's your first question in Set 1, Chapter 2. Okay, so first question, we've got a couple of clerks here. They're sharing the same cash register. Why isn't that a good idea? All right, that has to do with establishing responsibilities. So if the register cash comes up short, there's going to be a lot of finger pointing done. We really can't establish which clerk made the mistake. And so let's look at the answers here. You can see number 1, establish responsibilities, is the correct answer. So the point here is you can't really establish who was responsible for a cash register coming up short when the cash is counted. Here is question number 2. It has to do with some information relating to how cash would be reported in the financial statements. Okay, we've got a whole list of possibilities there. Cash in the bank account, that's pretty obvious. Next one, bank account balance. That's a good option. Petty cash balance, another $350 there. And finally, the cash in the register. So we add all of those amounts together. Let's take a look at how that calculation is done. There's your correct answer, 22,495, and you can see how the calculation was made. Basic bank services. Okay, what's the bank going to do for you? We're trying to find the thing, the service that the bank isn't going to perform for you. So bank accounts, bank deposits, checking, EFTs, electronic funds transfer, cash register servicing. So that's pretty obvious. Bank doesn't have anything to do with your cash register. Next question, bank statement provided by the bank. What does that include? Well, got some possible answers here. List of outstanding checks. They have no way of knowing that. Petty cash amounts. Again, no way of knowing what you spent your petty cash on. The third option is the good one. They want the beginning and ending balance of the account. Okay, there you are. Next question. On the bank reconciliation, a bank fee for check printing. We have no way of knowing that fee until we get our bank statement. Let's look at our options there. What do we do with that amount once we know it? Correct answer should be deducted from the book balance. Next question. On a bank reconciliation, interest earned and received, but not yet recorded by the company. Okay, the company didn't know about that interest. The bank statement revealed it. How does the accountant treat that? We're going to add that to the book balance of cash. Next question, outstanding checks refer to checks that have been, correct answer there, written by the depositor and subtracted from the balance. Okay, so the fourth answer is the correct answer there. Next question. Company made a bank deposit on September 30, but it never got on the bank statement that was for the period ending September 30. How do we treat that item on the bank reconciliation? Okay, here's your correct answer. Add the deposit to the bank statement balance. Number 9, which of the following events would cause a bank to reduce a depositor's account? Okay, the bank is going to take some money away from you. It's an internal. Let's find it for you here. The depositor ordered some new checks. Okay. And finally, the last question. Internal document prepared by department manager. This sounds like some kind of requisition. And there it is, a purchase requisition. So that completes Chapter 2, Set 1.